Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's video session of AutoCAD tutorial, we will practice few but very important commands that are frequently used in AutoCAD. So before applying these commands, we need to do unit settings and drawing limit settings. For that, I press MV setup enter and enter, then engineering. For unit types, scale factor is 1 and my dimensions are 50 feet, enter, and 50 feet, enter. So the first important command in AutoCAD is line. For line, press L, enter, click and drag. So you can draw line in any direction. If you press F8, so then you can restrict your cursor to X or Y direction. So in this way you can drag your cursor in any direction and you can define distance from the first point. And let's suppose I need a 20 feet line, so press 20 feet, enter, and then in this direction I need 12 feet line, in this direction 12 feet. If you press F8, then you can draw line in this direction, that is 12 feet. In this direction at 50-degree angle you can draw 12 feet line. So in this way you can easily draw a simple line. The second important command is erase. For erase, press E, enter, click a particular line and then enter. And this way you can erase a particular line. If you press E, enter, and select the whole object, then you can erase the whole object. The third important command is rectangle. For rectangle, REC, enter, click and drag, D, enter, D for dimensions, and 24 feet on x-axis and 12 feet on y-axis. So a rectangle having 24 feet on x-axis and 12 feet on y-axis. The fourth important command is distance, DI, enter. Through this you can easily find dimension for. So DI, enter, select first point and then last point. So as we know, 24 feet on x-axis, and then DI, enter, click here, from here to here it is 12 feet on y-axis. Another command is circle. For circle, C, enter, click and drag, and then you, let's suppose 12 feet. So I can draw a circle with 12 feet radius. By default, circle is set with radius. If you want to draw any circle with diameter, then C, enter, click and drag, D, enter, and then let's suppose 6 feet, enter. So circle with 6 feet diameter. We have a copy command, CP, enter, click, enter, and then click and drag. So you can take multiple copies. Even you can take copy if you click and drag in a particular direction, and then let's suppose 20 feet. So with proper dimension, even I can take multiple copies. For example, let's suppose CP or CO, enter. We have two commands. CP, enter, select object, enter, click and drag, and then 20 feet, enter. So the distance between this two objects, two circles, are 20 feet. So you can take copies with proper dimension. Then we have chamfer. Through chamfer you can round edges of any, or you can round corner of any two connected lines. For you can bevels. Fillet is used for rounding the corner of any two connected lines. So for fillet, F, enter, R, enter, and then let's suppose 12 feet, enter. So you can round it with 12 feet radius. Similarly, chamfer, CHA, enter, and then D, enter. Let's suppose I want to give 6 feet, enter, second, 4 feet, enter. So I entered 6 feet first and then 4 feet second. So if I select this, so and this, so from corner to here 6 feet, and from here to here 4 feet bevel. So you can round edges, or we can say corners, of any two connected lines through chamfer command. Then we have trim. If we any connected line, so we can trim TR double enter. So you can trim any intersect lines. So trim TR double enter, you can trim. We have another command that is extend, EX double enter. In this way you can extend lines. So EX double enter, you can extend this line, you can extend this line, so you can extend this line. For extend, it is important that there must be any line in front of that particular line. EX double enter is this way. I can't extend this particular line because we don't have any object or any line in the front of this particular line. So EX double enter, it will not be extended. If I draw any object, then I can easily extend this line. We have a mirror command. Let's suppose if I am a line, so mirror MI enter, so you can take mirror enter, MI enter, select whole object, then enter, click on this corner, so you can take mirror even on this and here even. So you can take mirror. So erase source object, no. If you want to erase this object, then you can press yes. So yes, so we can erase the source object. It's a mirror command. We have rotate. You can rotate any object. RO enter, select object, enter, then select any corner, press F8 and you can rotate any object. And you can, let's suppose 45 degree, so you can rotate this object on 45 degree. We have scale, SC enter, through scale you can select object, enter. Let's suppose we have a rectangle. Through scale we can scale our object, we can increase the size or decrease the size of our object. If I press 2 enter, so we can double the size of that particular object. Move M enter, and you can move any, select object, enter, so you can move any object. Offset, O enter, and then let's suppose 4 feet enter, so we can take offset. If you click outside, so you can take offset outside. If I have a circle, O enter, and then 2 feet enter, select object, and then you can click inside, so you can take multiple offset inside. If I have any object that is connected, look, this is connected, exclude, X enter, so I can disconnect this object. Now these are, no, it converted into multiple segments. Arc, A enter, so we can draw arc. Join, I have 2 lines, these are disconnected lines, so we can join. J enter, select this line and this line, enter. Now you can join 2 lines. Even if we have 2 lines, they should be in front of each other. J enter, select first line, second line, so you can join. We have gradient, GD enter, and then you can assign different color inside. You can change the pattern of the color and you can select different colors. Then we have H, H enter, and we can apply multiple H's. So these were few important commands we can easily use for making any drawing. Thank you.